today's vlog, I'm going to take you on a family beach trip. So what are you waiting for? Let's explore Amontay.
Late July with the sun up high, the cicadas sing as the weeks drop by. I read all day in a hammock sway, time like molasses and melts away. Need to beat the sleepy sweet heat, my friends call it all like to meet it. So you see, in 90 degrees, it's a dinner under the olive trees. The brittle clink, the deep.
First stop, we delivered plants to my mom's customer. Then we went to our go-to restaurant. To be honest, their pizza here is the best. Finally, our order is here. Here's our food for lunch, our usual lunch combo. While eating, I saw this interesting goat and we're finally finished. Then we went straight to Custodio Clinic, got the goodies. Now finally, we're heading our way to Amontay.
Suntan, sunscreen, strawberry, ice cream, midsummer's daydream, sipping in between long days, warm nights, gliding like light kites, sapphire, clear skies, whipped cream, cherry pies. Ooh.
This is our room. 2 beds here, one right here. And then when you come forward, here's the vanity area. Right here is a window. This is the CR. Hello everyone, it's me Angel. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video is something different from my past uploads. So today we're here at Amontay Beach Resort and we're staying here for the night, and then later we're gonna eat in a sort of different place. I'm gonna bring you guys along with our trip. This is my outfit. Top is from Shopee. My shorts is thrifted from an IG shop, and my cover up is also thrifted.
So we're going out for our dinner.
Like your smile in the morning, following the linings on your cheeks. 'Cause baby, in your absence life is boring, so I'll never leave. It's easier to love when it's you by my side, shining through the cracks like the first morning light, feeling like a child through the days and the nights, living in your arms as the years go by. It's easier to love, oh, easier to love, oh. There's nothing like the way that you adore me. I can feel love from miles away. The light in your eyes tells me stories of life in a more perfect place where I wanna stay. It's easier to love.
Let me know.
It's easier to love, oh, it's easier to love.
everyone, it's already 8:25 p.m. and we're already done eating our dinner at Mahigalaon Beach Resort. And before the night ends, we're gonna go outside to go to the live band to listen to the music. So let's go.
And I can't find a way to just ignore it. I can't really take it anymore, 'cause I can't stop you from running around through my mind. Won't stop running, never will. I'll take some melatonin pills this time. I see you hide yourself underneath the mountain of makeup. Plus the words that you made up won't make you any cooler than you are. But when you're with me and you're half asleep, and I can count each freckle and see all your beauty that you hide. This ain't usually how you're like. Then you say, don't you be afraid of when your life's gonna end. You should be more worried it'll never begin.
Every year, right around June 21st, yeah. Ooh, I slip in my swimsuit, diving head first. Everything's coming up roses, peachy. I feel like the world is finally swaying in the sunshine. Oh my, it's looking so fine, divine. Fields of lavender, Provence weather, evening walks.
Good morning. We're already done eating our breakfast and we're gonna go to the beach. After that, we're gonna go to the pool.
Mommy. Mommy also.
Twinkling the secrets, whispering sprinklers, bare feet, fingers running through vineyards. Ooh, every year.
Right.
Right around June 21st, yeah. Ooh, I slip in my swimsuit, diving head first. Everything's coming up roses, peachy. I feel like the world is finally swaying in the sunshine. Oh my, it's looking so fine, divine. Linen dresses, straw masses, blowing hair through the wind as we're spinning. Watercolor world, it's all just beginning. Roses. Roses, peachy. I feel like the world is finally swaying in the sunshine. Oh my, it's looking so fine, divine. Roses, peachy. I feel like the world is finally swaying in the sunshine. Oh my, it's looking so fine, divine.
One, two, three. Good boy. One, two, three. There. Good. Atras. Kuha ni ate. Wala, tayo na. 1, 2, 3. Final naman na, final.
Ay, wait, I'm okay. Ay.
Basta diri lang area. Wala na dito, wala po dito. Diri ra dapit. Lapit na gyud. Talaga. Pangala ba na ginlupad niya? All ayo. Got the 100k. And the second is 50k.
Hello everyone. So update, it's already 10:45 in the morning and we're gonna go check out na and we're gonna eat lunch.
I naturally would see magic in the world around me. Now I often get so tired. It's harder just to be fascinated, breathing free. But I can hear raindrops that dancing on the roof. It's like they're calling out, don't lose your youth. Cause I can stay inside and tap away inside. Or make today just a little less mundane. Oh, I can stay inside and tap away inside. Oh,